Hello everyone, welcome back to E-Library for All. In today's video, we are going to be making our first beginner program. Okay, so if you have not watched lecture 3 and lecture 2, please watch them. You will not understand this video. Okay, so please watch them if you have not watched them. So what we will do, we will open a new scratch window. As we all know, the first thing to do, this is the first basic step. Okay, full screen. So now we have opened a new scratch window. We will choose a sprite and delete sprite 1. Okay, so which sprite we will choose? We will choose this sprite, everyday walking. So now we have chosen this sprite. We will choose a backdrop. And the backdrop we will choose is basketball 1. Okay, so we have chosen basketball 1. So I have to tell you one thing. In today's video, we will learn some new things while making this program. Okay? As we all know that it's your first beginner program, so I will also be telling the basics to make this video easier and this program look easier. So we all know this about the starting blocks. So we will pick this starting block when green flag clicked. Okay. So after we have picked this starting block, we will go to motion and we will set this sprite on a position we like to set it on. So I will set my sprite over here. So you can see the x is negative 178 and the y is negative 59. So as I told you, this block go x negative 178 and y negative 59. This block's x value and y value changes when we change the x and y value of these options over here. Okay, so now what we will do, we will put this block over here. Why I made this tiny block of code? Because if we move the sprite anywhere like over here, when we click the green flag, it will teleport it back over here. So what we will do is we will make another block of code to make our sprite move by clicking the right arrow. Okay, we will make the sprite move right by clicking the right arrow. Okay, so we will choose right arrow and we will go to motions. As we all know, this block is used for movement. So when we click the right arrow, array is moving. So let's change walking and make it stay array. Okay, so we will set it back to this position. Okay, so you have observed one thing. When we walk, we move our hands and our legs, but array is not moving her arms and her legs. Why? Because we have not added any action. How will we add the action? As we learned in our first beginner program, that costumes means actions. If we want to add any actions, we will have to use costumes. Okay, you can see this is the walking animation. So how will we make it play in the program? We will use this block, next costume. It will switch this costume to the next costume. So we will put this block over here. When we click the right arrow, you can see her legs are moving very fast and her hands are moving very fast. How can we make them move slowly? We will make them move slowly by using the delay block in controls. We will not make every wait 1 second. We will make every wait 0.1 seconds. Now you might be wondering, Why we will use 0.1 seconds? Because any number, like any number in the whole world that comes with 0 point encoding is stands for the sprite movement. It controls the sprite's speed. Okay, so we will use 0.1. Why 0.1? We can also use 0.2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Why are we not using those blocks? Because those blocks will make the sprite very, very, very slow. Like, let me show you. 0.3. And let me put it over here. Look, it is moving very slowly. So we will teleport it back over here. So what we will do, we will change it back to 0.1. Okay, let's change it back to 0.1. 0.1. So now let's see. Look, it is moving fine. Okay, so now we have made our 2 blocks of code. We will duplicate this block. And we will change some things here. Now we want the sprite to move in the left direction. So what we will do, we will change this to left arrow and we will change this to -10. Why we have changed this to -10? Okay. We have changed this to -10 because any number that comes in the move 10 steps block with negative, it indicates and tells the sprite to move in the direction left. Why? Because you have seen a sprite, like let me paint a sprite. You don't have to paint a sprite. I'm just showing it for your ease. Okay, so we write our counting in the right direction, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And when we use the column technique, we start subtracting from the right. -78. Yeah, we subtract from the right. We start from the right, not from the left. So when we add negative, you can see that this is 0. What comes behind 0? The number that comes behind 0 is negative 1. So now we are moving to the left direction. And if we see this negative closely, you can see that negative is like an arrow pointing to this direction. Yes, it is like an arrow pointing to this direction. It is like the minus sign. So it is pointing to this direction. So our sprites will move to this direction. Wait, let me just delete this. Okay. So now we know what negative means. So we will add -10. Okay. So now you can see our sprite can move in the right direction and the left direction. And if the sprite moves like over here, we can just use this block to teleport it back to its original position. So this was the program I wanted to make with you guys. So this was a very small program, right? For beginners, we have to make very small programs so you understand how to make bigger programs. And another thing we can change is when we play a game, like Roblox or Minecraft, you do not use the arrow keys. We use WASD to move it. So we use A and D to move right and left. We use D to move right and we use A to move left. So you can also change right arrow to D and you can also change left arrow to A. And inshallah, in our next program, we will learn how to make every move upwards. Got it? Then we will be able to use the W and S key too. Okay? So, you have to save this program from file, save to your computer, and you have to make. Okay, so you can name it anything you want. Okay. So this was the program I wanted to make with you guys, and inshallah in the next video we will learn how to make every move in the upwards and downwards position. Okay, and we will learn more new things while making other programs. Goodbye. Please like and subscribe to our channel. Allah Hafiz.